Hello everyone! Today, we have a truly inspiring story to share with you. We will meet a brave and adventurous young girl named Bianca Adhikari. She is only 8 years old, and she is about to embark on an incredible journey, her first ever wall climbing experience. Are you ready to be amazed? If so, let us explore her thrilling wall climbing victory. We find Bianca all geared up, with her safety harness on, ready to take on the challenge. Her family and friends are there to support and cheer her on, giving her the confidence to begin her climb. Slowly but surely, Bianca starts her climb. It's not easy, and she encounters some tricky spots on the wall. But she keeps going, never giving up. With each step, she gains more confidence, and her smile tells us that she's having an amazing time. As Bianca gets higher, the wall becomes more challenging. But she's not afraid of taking risks. She pushes herself and tries different techniques to find the best way up. Her determination is truly inspiring. And guess what? After facing all the obstacles, Bianca finally reaches the top of the wall. The destination she was aiming for. What an incredible feat! She triumphantly rings the victory bell, and her joy is contagious. Everyone around her is inspired by witnessing her adventure and her wall climbing steps. Bianca's achievement doesn't end there. She's become an instant icon for young adventurers all around. Seeing her courage and determination, other kids and even grown-ups feel motivated to try wall climbing too. I hope this adventure video of Bianca will spread like wildfire on the internet, encouraging people to step out of their comfort zones and take on new challenges. After reaching the top once, Bianca is not done yet. She's so excited that she climbs the wall not just once, but 3 times in total. Each time, she becomes better and faster, showcasing her progress and determination. Bianca's adventurous spirit doesn't just inspire older kids and grown-ups. Even her very younger brother, who thought the wall was too high for him, gathers the courage to try wall climbing after seeing Bianca's amazing adventure. It's a heartwarming moment as Bianca cheers him on and celebrates his bravery. We're in awe of Bianca's incredible wall climbing adventure. She reached new heights, rang the victory bell, and inspired everyone with her courage and determination. Let's all be motivated by Bianca's story and remember that we too can conquer any challenge life throws our way. So, let's be adventurous, take risks, and make our dreams come true. If you loved Bianca's wall climbing adventure, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and adventures. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep reaching for the stars. See you in next video.